Okay, welcome back to Module 2, if you bought the whole module. Otherwise, this is Unit 6, and it's about how you say there is, there are in Italian. Let's get right into it. So you can see that there is a direct correspondence. There is, c'è. There are, ci sono. And if any of this is not clear, I just stuck a little saying in there. Finché c'è vita, c'è speranza. As long as there is life, there is hope. Just something for you to learn. I like to put as many proverbs and sayings and little things, little cultural bits as much as I can. Okay, ready to start Unit 7? This is on adjectives, and I'm quite excited to start. Ready and excited are adjectives. In Italian, they are pronto and eccitato. Of course, you don't really want to say eccitato because it mostly means aroused. So, as much as I am excited to talk about adjectives, I'm not that excited. But let's begin. An adjective is Unit 8. It's about time, and it's about time we learned how to tell time in Italian. It's easy, but it's not simple. We're going to see why. Okay, so che ore sono is the correct and most common way to ask what time. Unit 9, and we're going to talk about the weather. Fun fact, weather and time are the same word in Italian, tempo. In Italian, we're not that fussy, so we could very well say it rains to say that it rains right now, because sta piovendo is double the syllables, so who's got that kind of time? Adverbs are my favorite, and here's why. Unlike articles, adjectives, nouns, and verbs, adverbs are very easy to learn. As soon as we hit verbs, which is very soon, you'll be able to speak much more than you probably expected yourself to. So I'll see you in the next unit.